Hello everyone, it's Michael from MDO Video, and today I'm going to talk about the different types of metal uh, electrical boxes for outlets and stuff, metal old work boxes. These here are 3 metal switch outlet boxes for a remodel or a cut-in box. And basically, they're designed originally, before they had sheetrock. These boxes were used with plaster and lath, and those. If you're watching my video and you know what plaster and lath is, then you probably do remember plaster and lath. If they were little wooden bore slat like that, and there was plaster over them. I'll make a little sample of it, model of it one day, but it's a lot of labor. It's messy. It's not like sheetrock. It way harder, and it takes a very long time. It's messy, and it doesn't last very long. And it cracks and everything. But the first box is this. This is a 2 1/4 inch deep, made by Steel City. It's got beveled corners. Alright, see, it's got a grounding screw in the back, and I adjusted the plaster ears on here for 1/2 inch. Now, there are other thicknesses. There's 3/8 and there's 5/8. But if you only had 1/2 inch, which is what normally kind of sheetrock you would use today for a wall, then that, for the wall. But these little, first off, there's these 2 little tabs that are on the box. Okay, those are what the device screws to. Okay, the outlet screws to the box there. Now, the other 2 that I want to talk about are plaster ears, or plaster brackets, and that screws into the wooden lath. Okay, those screw into the wooden lath, and then they're plastered over. So that's all that holds the box in. Okay, so you'd have to dig that out if you needed to remove the box. And they are adjustable. You just loosen that and you slide that to the wherever you need it. Okay. Now that's that one. Now another thing about this box, it'll take MC, Romex, or an NM non-metallic, and then you could also, if you wanted, you could bring a piece of conduit in, but it's got so that's what you would use. But back in the day, they used BX wire. This next one, this next one is a 2 3/4 inch deep, made by Steel City, and it does not have any NM or MC connector internal clamps. It has knockouts, 1/2 inch. It's got one on the top, one on the bottom, and one on each side, and one in the back. And they're all 1/2 inch. You can get them in 3/4, but there's really no reason. But like for this box, which I've got another one right here, I removed 2 of the knockouts, which I was only supposed to remove 1, whatever. But so with this box, you could put an EMT coupling on there and thread that on there. That's your EMT set screw. Alright, that's the EMT set screw. Alright, you could do that. You could also do Romex or MC, or BX. BX and MC are pretty much the same. But you could do, you could do your Romex, which is one of these right here. This is a Romex connector. 2 screw clamp. And then your lock nut goes up in there, and you clamp the wire down. Alright. You could do that and put an MC connector in there, alright, or BX. And then you could also do PVC. And in addition to the MC and the EMT, you could do flexible greenfield. Whoops, drop that. You could do PVC. But you know, it just depends, you know. But most older homes, you're gonna see the BX and the knob and tube and all that. Now the next box I want to talk about is this one here. This is a 3.5 inch deep, and it actually has a combination of the other two. It's got the NM cable clamps in the back. You could do MC, the non-metallic cable clamps in the back, and then it's got the conduit. All right, and then it also has the conduit here and here, the knockouts. So this is a kind of an all-in-one box, but it is gangable. The sides are removable, and the way you know that, there's a little screw here. But with these boxes, see, you can put them together, and you up to maybe a 6 gang or a 10 gang. But they do make a gangable cover plates now, so you can do sectional cover plates. So it really, you can expand out to a 12, as big as the opening in the wall is, you know. But it just, you know, the 3.5 inch deep, you know, you're gonna want a 2x6 wall for that, because these screws, you know, they'll go right through the other side. But like with this one here, this is pretty much all you'd need is a 2.5. That's gonna be a standard box. That's going to be a standard size box. But that's just what I wanted to talk about today. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.